Good morning, boys and girls. How have you all been? I hope you all have been doing great and that you all are ready to begin morning meeting. To start off, happy Friday, boys and girls. It is finally the last day of the school week, and we can now, after today, officially relax for 2 days. So, we are going to start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. If you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and follow along with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge of allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, boys and girls. You may be seated. So to start off, we are going to go over the 7 days in a week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from preschool learning fun by the Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. On preschool.
And now we are going to go over the months of the year.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Awesome job, boys and girls. So, good morning once again. Today is Friday, April 16, 2021. And can anybody tell me, if today is Friday, what was yesterday? Yes, yesterday was Thursday. And if yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Yay! We are finally in the weekend area, boys and girls, so very excited for that. For today's weather, it is, I'm going to say, partly cloudy, sunny. It's just been very weird, boys. Sometimes it's very hot and the sun is out, and then it's very cloudy, yet it's still hot outside. So I'm going to say it's partly sunny, partly cloudy, and hot, because whether the clouds are out or the sun is out, it's very hot outside. And now for the mood meter. I want to know how you all are feeling today. However, I'm going to start first. So Ms. Gonzalez is feeling happy today because it is finally Friday and the weekend is here, and Ms. Gonzalez really enjoys the weekend. So because of that, I am feeling happy. Now, I want to know how you all are feeling today. I hope everybody is feeling in the yellow and green area, just like Ms. Gonzalez. If by any chance you are feeling in the red, you all are angry or frustrated or worried about something, or y'all are in the blue that y'all feel sad or tired, I hope that frown turns upside down and that you join the yellow and green team over here. Always remember that it's a bad day, guys, and the day is going to end, and tomorrow will be a new day with new feelings, and hopefully those feelings are in the yellow and green area. So let's go over today's schedule. You will be having breakfast and doing or watching morning meeting like you are right now. After that, you will do your personal hygiene, go to the restroom, wash your hands, wash your face, brush your teeth. After that, it is Friday. I'm so sorry. It's Friday today. So we are going to do IEP goals. So you all did some IEPs yesterday. So today you will do the rest. After IEPs, you will do centers. Have some free time. Go play. Just relax. Don't think about work. After you have done centers and that you have relaxed for a while, make sure to have some story time. It's good to read, boys and girls. So read a book or a magazine or watch our read aloud that we put in Teams. Anything, just read or listen to a story. Then you will have lunch. I hope you have a delicious meal to eat. Once you have eaten, give yourself a little break. However, afterwards, do some exercise. It is important, boys and girls, to have get your heart rate up. So I need you to get up and moving, whether it's running around your house or playing tag with your siblings, riding a bike or going for a walk. Anything, boys and girls. I just need for you all to be up and moving and getting that heart rate up. Here are some activities that you all can do. You can do the hula hoop, maybe play some hopscotch, play tag with a sibling if you have any, or you can ride a bike or simply just take a walk. All we need is for you to be up and moving. Okay, boys and girls, so if you have any questions, here are our informations. Do not hesitate to ask us anything that you may need help with or anything you may need, boys and girls. We are always here for you all. So please, if you need to reach out, please reach out to us. Other than that, once you are done with your IEP goals, do not forget to submit them to Teams. That way the teachers can give you all a grade. Also, do not forget to give a thumbs up for attendance. Once you have done those two things, you all are free for the day and for the weekend. I hope you all have a great weekend, boys and girls, that you have lots of fun and you rest. We will see you here back on Monday. Bye.